Inusisa sa Senado ang bagong senior high school curriculum na ipatutupad sa mahigit 700 pilot schools sa pasukan. Kabilang sa tanong ng komite, kung matutugunan ba nito ang mga reklamo na hirap pa rin makakuha ng trabaho ang mga graduate ng K-12. Nakatutok si Mav Gonzalez.
Bagong kurikulum ang babati sa mga papasok na senior high school student sa ilang pilot school sa parating ngayong school year 2025 to 2026. Sisimplehan na ito at gagawing 2 na lang ang kasalukuyang 4 na tracks, habang magiging 5 na lang ang core subjects mula 15, magiging electives ang ibang subject. Pero pag-usisa ng Senate Committee on Basic Education, masosolusyonan na ba nito ang mga reklamong humaba lang ang pag-aaral pero hindi pa rin naman nakakakuha ng trabaho ang mga K-12 graduate?
What we guaranteed to our constituents with the additional 2 years in senior high school, we will reduce the number of years in college.
Sa survey ng kinomisyon ng opisina ni Senador Win Gatchalian, lumalabas na mas maraming hindi kontento sa senior high school program at K-12.
Parents have to shell out more money for transportation, food, for education, for their children. Senior high school diploma is not enough to get a better job, so they still want to go to college.
Ayon sa Department of Education, may 10% naman ng mga senior high graduates na nakakakuha ng informal jobs. Kaya layo ng bagong senior high curriculum na mas maging employable sila. Nag-uusap na rin ang DepEd at SHED para hindi magkapareho ang subject sa senior high school at sa kolehiyo. Pero pag-amin ng DepEd,
the 5 proposed core subjects are not enough for students to be college ready. They need to take electives.
Sabi ni Gatchalian, dapat bawasan din ang subject sa kolehiyo.
Top of mind is PE. We can push this down to basic education.
Pwede rin daw iayon sa magiging core sa kolehiyo ang kukuning subject sa senior high school.
My Health Services NC2 na kung iisipin mo, baka mas appropriate pa sa mag-nursing kaysa mag-take siya ng calculus at ng iba't ibang STEM programs. So baka po pwede nating pag-isipan siya more holistically that some of the NCs may give them actually better training, better preparation for the college programs they wish to take and have those credited already too.
Sa ngayon, may 727 private at public pilot schools. Pero puna ni Gatchalian, parang kakaunti ang rural schools o yung mga nasa bundok at isla.
I know that part of your rubrics is readiness, diba? But I think we should also consider the rural schools because the readiness of those schools is really a challenge. They might not be ready for the rest of for a very long time. Include more rural schools. The end goal of the pilot is to learn what's wrong or to learn what's right and to correct what's wrongs.
Sa school year 2026 to 2027, inaasahan ang full rollout ng bagong senior high school curriculum. Para sa GMA Integrated News, Mav Gonzalez, Nakatutok, 24 Oras.